In today's video, I'll show you how to use Canva's t-shirt design templates. If you've ever wanted to create custom t-shirts that reflect your style, Canva makes it easy with the ready-made customizable templates. Let's get started. From the Canva homepage, click the search bar at the top and type in t-shirt design. Canva will pull up a wide collection of templates made specifically for t-shirts. Take your time to browse through the available templates. Look at styles, fonts, and colors to see what fits your idea best. Once you found one, hover and click to select it. Next, click Customize this template. This will open Canva's editor where you can adjust everything, from text and fonts to colors and images. Click on any element to make changes. Update the text with your own message. Switch fonts, tweak the colors, or even replace images. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it simple, even for beginners. Want to make your shirt unique? Add graphics, shapes, or even your own logo. Canva's library has thousands of free elements, or you can upload your own. Canva also lets you layer designs, add effects, and mix in custom artwork. Don't be afraid to experiment until your t-shirt looks exactly how you imagined. Once your design is ready, click the download button. Choose the right file format for your printer. PNG with a transparent background is a popular choice for t-shirts. And that's it. Using Canva's t-shirt design templates is fast, fun, and beginner friendly. Try it out and start creating designs that showcase your personality or brand. Thanks for watching and happy designing.